Welcome to Battle of the Best. The Best Scrub Daddy Dust is probably one of the most versatile and effective cleaning tools available on the market today, designed to tackle everything from everyday messes to stubborn grime with its unique texture and absorbent material. This innovative sponge is engineered to provide a superior cleaning experience, making it an indispensable asset for any household looking to maintain a pristine living environment without the need for harsh chemicals or excessive scrubbing. Its ability to adapt to various surfaces and cleaning tasks sets it apart, promising a level of cleanliness that is both efficient and satisfying for the discerning consumer. Number 5. Stardrops the Pink Stuff Miracle Cleaning Paste. Discover the power of Stardrops the Pink Stuff Miracle Cleaning Paste. It's a versatile cleaner designed to tackle tough messes. Watch as it effortlessly lifts grime and dirt from various surfaces. This paste makes cleaning less of a chore. Achieve a brilliant shine on everything from cookware to garden furniture. You'll love the sparkling results it leaves behind. Despite its powerful cleaning action, it's gentle on surfaces. Enjoy a clean home without harsh chemicals. Make your cleaning routine simpler and more effective. Stardrops the Pink Stuff is your go-to for a spotless home. What we like? This cleaning paste is a true miracle worker for tough grime. It tackles stains and buildup with ease, leaving surfaces sparkling. If you're looking for a powerful, all-around cleaner that smells great, this is the one for you. What people say. The Scrub Daddy Dust is incredibly effective at picking up fine dust particles. Its unique texture allows it to trap dust without scattering it around the room. The reusable nature of the Scrub Daddy Dust makes it an economical and environmentally friendly choice for cleaning. Number 4. Stardrops the Pink Stuff Miracle Cleaning Paste and Squeezy Scrubber Bundle. Introducing the Stardrops the Pink Stuff Miracle Cleaning Paste and Squeezy Scrubber Bundle. It's your ultimate solution for tackling tough cleaning jobs. This powerful paste cuts through grease and grime with ease. Watch as it effortlessly restores surfaces to their former glory. The included Squeezy Scrubber is designed to adapt to every cleaning task. Its flexible design reaches every nook and cranny. Together, they make cleaning faster and more effective. Achieve a sparkling clean home with minimal effort. Get the complete cleaning package with this bundle. Experience the magic of the pink stuff for yourself. What we like? This bundle offers the best of both worlds with its powerful cleaning paste and a versatile scrubber. The scrubber is designed to adapt to various cleaning challenges, making it incredibly efficient. If you want a complete cleaning solution that can handle anything, this set is an excellent choice. What people say. The Scrub Daddy Dust is designed with a unique texture that effectively traps dust and debris, making cleaning easier. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, allowing for thorough cleaning of various surfaces without strain. The Scrub Daddy Dust is highly durable and can be reused multiple times, offering a cost-effective cleaning solution. Number 3. Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber. Tired of scrubbing? This powerful tool oscillates 60 times per second, blasting away grime and restoring surfaces with ease. Get your cleaning done up to twice as fast compared to manual scrubbing. It reduces strain and gives you back valuable time. Don't worry about splashes or wet environments. Its robust water resistance ensures reliable performance in any cleaning situation. Perfect for tackling tough spots in the kitchen and bathroom. It reaches tight spaces around faucets, tile, grout, and appliances. Take the cleaning power outdoors. It's great for grills, patio furniture, car parts, and even your golf gear. Restore your footwear to looking like new. It polishes and deep cleans sneakers, boots, and shoes, making them last longer. What we like? Experience intense cleaning power with this electric scrubber. Its oscillating head scrubs rapidly, saving you time and effort. If you need to tackle stubborn grime on various surfaces around your home or even outdoors, and want a tool that does the hard work for you, consider this. What people say. The Scrub Daddy Dust is a game changer for cleaning surfaces. Its unique texture effectively traps dust and debris, leaving surfaces spotless. I love how the Scrub Daddy Dust is reusable and easy to clean. Simply rinse it under water and it's ready to use again, saving you money and reducing waste. Number 2. Scrub Daddy Damp Duster Towel, 2CT. Meet the ultimate cleaning companion. This versatile towel instantly cleans spills and dust, upgrading your cleaning routine. Tired of ineffective cleaning tools? This towel picks up pet hair, dirt, and grime far better than traditional rags or dusters. Achieve a spotless finish on any surface. It wipes away dirt and residue, leaving no smudges behind. Invest in cleaning supplies that last. This eco-friendly towel is fully reusable and built for durability, making it a cleaning staple. Experience the innovation of Scrub Daddy. We create high-performance cleaning supplies with fun, functional designs you'll love. From cars to blinds, this dust remover handles it all. Use it as a car duster, a blind duster, and so much more. What we like? This unique dusting towel is designed to trap dust and debris effectively. It's perfect for everyday messes and even pet hair, without leaving residue. If you're looking for a reusable, absorbent, and scratch-free way to keep surfaces clean, especially if you have pets, this is a fantastic option. What people say. Scrub Daddy Dust is a game-changer for cleaning surfaces without leaving scratches. The unique texture of Scrub Daddy Dust effectively traps and removes dust particles, making cleaning more efficient. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and maneuver, reaching tight spots with ease. Number 1. The Pink Stuff Miracle Microfiber Cloth Collection 3-Pack. Introducing the Ultimate Cleaning Trio. This collection includes 3 specialized cloths designed for glass, all-purpose cleaning, and polishing, offering a complete solution for your home. Achieve a flawless, streak-free finish on all your glass surfaces. This cloth is perfect for making windows and mirrors sparkle without any smudges or residues. This versatile cloth is designed to tackle any cleaning task. Its highly absorbent microfiber effectively lifts dirt, dust, and grime from any surface, making it ideal for kitchens and bathrooms. Restore the shine to your furniture and appliances with this polishing cloth. It's designed to buff and polish surfaces to a brilliant finish, leaving your home looking its best. Save money and reduce waste with these durable, reusable cloths. They can be washed and reused multiple times, making them an eco-friendly alternative to disposable wipes. Made from high-quality microfiber, these cloths are ultra-soft and non-abrasive. They effectively trap dust and particles without scratching or damaging any surfaces. Simplify your cleaning routine with the power of microfiber. These cloths require minimal effort and no harsh chemicals, providing a natural and effective way to clean your home. What we like? This microfiber cloth collection offers specialized cloths for different cleaning needs. Achieve a brilliant, streak-free finish on glass and polished surfaces to perfection. If you desire a complete set of high-quality, reusable cloths for a spotless home, this trio is ideal. What people say. The Scrub Daddy Dust is a game-changer for cleaning. Its unique texture effectively traps dust and debris, leaving surfaces spotless. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and maneuver, even in tight spaces. It's also incredibly durable and can be reused multiple times, making it an eco-friendly choice. I was impressed by how well the Scrub Daddy Dust picked up fine dust particles that my regular duster missed. It doesn't just push dust around, it actually grabs onto it. The material is soft yet firm, so it doesn't scratch delicate surfaces. Plus, it rinses clean easily, ready for the next use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.